Welcome to Dr. R.S. and you on the science of cosmetics and personal care products. You can type Ramesh Surya, S-U-R-I-A, no Y-A, S-U-R-I-A, Surya Narayanan. In the YouTube videos, you can get all my YouTube videos regarding this topic. You'll see as Dr. Ramesh Surya Narayanan, and this is my email ID. Today we are going to part 107. We will discuss about a database called UL Prospector, source of your raw materials. UL Prospector, right? Find the materials you need to bring your product to the market faster. Search thousands of materials from global suppliers by keyword, property, certification and more. Analyze technical data, request samples and contact suppliers with your free account. So you have to register. It's a free registration. You have to register. Once you are registered and authorized by UL Prospector, then you can get this. You can search this, get data from UL Prospector. Also, get information on prototype formulation using various cosmetics and personal care ingredients. Register and search. So now let us see a video. I'll show you a video on the UL Prospector database. Let us move to the video. When you subscribe to UL Prospector, you will get constant update on the personal care and cosmetics update. So, for example, these are some of the updates, right? You can open and read the articles, and the recent ingredients and formulations. You can open and see this. Some announcement, prospector announcement, news and education, right? This is on some scientific article on achieving high efficiency in emulsion stabilization from fluid to butter. So if you open these things, it's a paper presented or published. It's also there. So you can have, if you get into this UL Prospector, you can have these articles also. So you can read these articles. It's very, very informative, right? So you can keep update on all the recent happenings in the industry. And also now we can get into any ingredient if you want to search. For example, view email online. I'll go there. Now is also there. It gives ingredients, formulations, equipments and services, and industry information. Whatever you want to search, right? Formula ingredients, okay? If you search ingredients, formulations related to that ingredient will also be given in the database. You say ingredients, okay? Now there are 16,500 results on ingredients. So I will refine this search. I will put xanthan gum, right? Search. Okay, there are 217 results on xanthan gum, meaning there are many companies making xanthan gum of various grades of xanthan gum, right? Different grades. So all the xanthan gum currently produced and the grades are given. Okay, so xanthan gum, this is one grade. Xanthan gum RD by Union Chem. This is another grade. Xanthan gum by Union Chem. So xanthan gum. So many xanthan gum. Okay. For example, you want to this grade of xanthan gum. Okay, you want to see this grade of xanthan gum. What is it about? You can press in that. Click. So you get this xanthan gum. What is this grade about? This is EcoCert and Cosmos approved. So it can be used in green cosmetics, right? So now all the approvals are there, right? Data sheet, all the approvals are there, and prototype formulation using that material. So these are all the formulations. You can click the formulations and see the formulation. You can use this as a starting formula for your product development work, right? So regulatory status, all those things you can click everything and then you can go through that. In this way, you can get into, see for example, silicones, right? You can search silicones. So there are 2026 results on silicones, various silicones and various grades of silicones, right? So this is listed here. So if the trade name of the silicone, if the trade name of the silicone is for example, Dowsil AP 1887 fluid produced by Dow Chemicals. This is the inky name, bis hydroxy-methoxy amodimethicone. This is the inky name, and this is the inky name you have to put on the label, right? Not the trade name. So now you can get details about this. Okay, you can request for a sample in this. So all the documents are here on that ingredient, and formulation using that ingredient, starting formulation using this ingredient. So this is a very good database on to understand what is happening in the industry recently, to get some scientific articles, right? So that how the ingredient works. For example, the carbomer. If you have carbomer, then using triethanolamine as a neutralizer, sodium hydroxide as a neutralizer, potassium hydroxide as a neutralizer, what is the ratio should be used, how carbopol works, all those things you can get in this when you go to the carbomer article, the ingredient, and how various grades of these ingredients can be applied to formulations. That's also there. And apart from this, you have on equipments, various equipments used, the suppliers, and what are the recent trends. So budding cosmetic scientists or cosmetic scientists who are working in the field, who have not gone into this UL Prospector site still, you can go into this, register. It's a free registration. You can register and view. It will add to your knowledge. It will keep you updated on what is happening in the industry. And if you want to use a new ingredient in your formula, you can search whether it is listed here and get more data about that ingredient, who is the supplier, and how it is suggested to be incorporated in the formula, what various formulations can be made using that ingredient. You can use this, right? So UL Prospector has lot of companies registered in UL Prospector, and those companies who have registered in UL Prospector, those ingredients you can see, that is cosmetic raw material manufacturing or the cosmetic equipments manufacturers were registered in UL Prospector, you can see all those ingredients of those companies, right? That's what you can, in the first itself you can see list of companies registered. So thank you for listening to me in this video. So this is a good site where you have to register and keep on viewing all the new ingredients, the formulation prototypes and literature about some of the ingredients, right? So it will be very useful. Thank you very much for listening to me in this video. Till I connect you in the next video, be happy, be smiling, be healthy. Bye.